Now the next topic is turning effect of force. Now till here we have studied that if any force is applied on any object, on any stationary object, then it will start the motion in a straight line and that motion will be in the same direction of the force. Now if any body is not free to move but it is pivoted at a point O. Look at this diagram. In this, the object is pivoted at the center O. It means it will move around this center point only. Okay. So this is pivoted at this center point O and a force is applied on this object. Then it will start to turn about the point O. Okay. And this axis is known as the axis of rotation, means around this axis this body will start its rotation or its motion. Okay. Now we can say that a force has a turning effect on a body which is not free to move in a straight line but is pivoted at a point about which it can turn. इट मीन्स फोर्स का कुछ ना कुछ टर्निंग इफ़ेक्ट होता है उस बॉडी में जो मूव करने के लिए फ्री नहीं होती है, बट दैट इज़ फिक्स्ड एट अ पिवोटेड पॉइंट और अ center point, and around that point the body will turn or start its motion. Now there are some factors affecting the turning point of a body. First is the magnitude of the force applied, and second is the perpendicular distance of the force from the pivoted point. Now the first point, the magnitude of the force applied. Larger the magnitude of force applied, more is the turning effect on the body. It means जितना ज़्यादा मैग्नीट्यूड होगा फोर्स का उतना ही ज़्यादा उस बॉडी का टर्निंग इफेक्ट होगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ द फोर्स फ्रॉम द पिवोटेड पॉइंट. नाउ लार्जर द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट एट विच द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड, जितना ज़्यादा परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा टर्निंग इफेक्ट होगा उस ऑब्जेक्ट का. ओके. सो दीज टू फैक्टर्स affect the turning of a body. Turning effect, the best example of turning effect is the door. When you push or pull a door, it will start its motion according to the hinges of the